Do you want to be strong? Do you want exercises that can give you real energy, like massive energy, like energy that you can use to do whatever that you want? Everybody wants to be strong as a young guy, in your middle age or whatever. So research has come out with 4 main workouts that can give you that true strength that you desire. Without wasting much time, I'm taking you straight to the 4 main exercises. And we are giving them, or I'm bringing them on board in order of priority. The 4th to the king of all, right? So we are starting with exercise number 4, which is the pull-ups, okay? Now, the pull-up is not just any pull-up, but strict pull-up. Make sure when doing it, it's only your arms that do the movement. Do not sway your body, do not swing. Just let your hand pull you up and down. And if you can do it 10 plus, that's great. I don't even know whether I can do 10, but let's try it. Okay, let's go right into it. Okay, let your legs be met. Go 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo. So that is it. You could see my legs were merged and I did it. That's great. So that is exercise number 4. This can really give you great strength. Let's go to exercise or workout number 3. That can also give you the energy you need. It's nothing new. A well-known bench press, right? And we have different categories of bench press. Flat bench, which we are going to do, decline bench, and then we have the decline bench as well. But then we are going to do what is recommended here is the flat bench. So we are going to be going straight into this flat bench. How we are really going to do it that can give you that energy, right? If you are starting, or if you are pro, but if you are starting, use weight that you are comfortable. But if you are pro, I don't need to tell you the weight you are going to use. So let's go right into it. So, right, and this is how you do it. Don't rush the weight. Don't rush the weight. Let's go. Sorry. Okay. So take it, right. Go to your mid chest, come out. 2, like this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's go last one. 10. That's great. So, in my previous video, I've already taken you through the 4 bench presses. So, you can check in my page for the 3 bench presses that can give you massive chest exercise. It's there for you, if just in case you have not viewed it yet. So, we are done with exercise number 3. Now, let's go to the second to last exercise. Well, we call it the king of squat. Let's go. The barbell squat is the hardest, bro. The hardest. So we are going for a barbell squat. Though I'm going to be taking you through the barbell squat, and we are also going to be doing the goblet squat. But this from the barbell squat, which is actually recommended because that one it involves your hamstrings, your core, a whole lot. So this exercise is one of the best if you really need energy. Next to the king of all squat. So right from here, we'll be diving into the king of all squat. Let's go straight into it. All right, so yeah. Okay. Always carry weight that you are comfortable with. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. That's hard, bro. 4, 5, 6, 9. All right, let's go last one. Tie back. We go. 10. Good. Ooh. Just a second. So do you want to know why this is one of the best exercises that will give you energy? This, your hamstring is at work, your core is at work. Bro, it's a whole lot. And then your glute. You understand? So this, when you do a barbell squat, all the muscles connected to the glute, the hamstring, is all empowered to grow faster. Now, let me also take you to the goblet squat. It's also one of the best. Let's go. The goblet squat. Let me get right. So, this task already been arranged. Now, I prefer weight for it to be higher heavy, so that whenever I'm squatting, the weight can stretch down a bit. If you are doing it on a flat floor base, you might not stretch to the lower level, and then your weight is already hitting the ground. So it's good that you arrange this way, and it makes it best, and you get the right requirement. Make sure when you pick the weight like this, do not move it as you come up. Let it maintain like this. Okay, let's go right to it. So this is still for exercise or workout number 3. All right, it's just part of the squat. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's easy. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay, 10. That's right. Whew. That's it. Right. So I know if you are with me now, you now want to know the king of all workout. Yes, and we are going right into it. But before then, I just want to encourage you that if this video is helpful so far, please subscribe to Form Check HQ for more of such videos. If you really want to be physically fit, to go about your activities. Yes, and of course, health is related to what? You working out, because that is the basic when you can get all your body rotating and allowing blood to flow through your system. Now, let's go right into exercise number 1. That is the king of all exercise. If you can do this every day, all your muscles is at work. So do exercise that put the full body at work, and that is what barbell squat does. And this, we are now going to exercise number top 1, which is what? The deadlift. So we are going right into the deadlift. All right. So watch how I do it. All right. All right. So position yourself this way. Hold the weight. Right. Let's go. One. Make sure you stretch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Man, deadlift is crazy and it's the best exercise ever. I can attest to that. So guys, thank you for sticking and staying with us. Like I said, If you have not subscribed and like and subscribe to Phone Check HQ. See you in the next video and thank you for watching. Bye.